When you consider what makes a vehicle handle well on the road, you might immediately think of suspension or the tire's tread pattern. However, a tire's belt package is a slept-on factor and truly influences a vehicle's ride quality. Let's talk about how a tire's belt package directly affects ride handling. Tire engineers generally create a triangle structure within a tire from the belt cords. This pattern creates a strong structure that resists flexing, twisting, and shear, all important elements of comfort, steering, and durability. When it comes to belt system stiffness, tire engineers think about three key aspects: vertical, lateral, and twisting. Particularly, lateral stiffness comes with an interesting trade-off. A belt package that's very stiff laterally delivers great handling but can produce a rough and uncomfortable ride. With that being said, the more force a tire engineer wants the tire to generate, the stiffer the belt package needs to be. Most of the time, heavy-duty truck tires and ultra-high-performance tires have the stiffest belt packages. The stiffness of the belt directly relates to the tire's speed rating, and higher speed ratings require stiffer belts to resist centrifugal force. If the belt package isn't stiff, the tire won't withstand these forces, and the speed rating will be lower. Let's talk about energy transfer for a second. As the tire makes contact with the road, energy travels through the tread into the belt and its connected carcass. From there, it moves through the bead wire into the wheel and ultimately reaches the vehicle's suspension. While tire belts play a big role in handling and steering by providing stiffness, they are also very important in the power transfer from the engine to the road. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. See you next time.